I'm doing this without a guide. Now it's going to look funky. Come on, little funky. Sure enough, it looks funky because I wasn't using my guide. It's alright. Who eats herp? Okay. We'll just try to gently encourage it to do what we want it to do. There, we're good. Yeah, all of the rolling and quilling and gluing, you know, you've watched me do. And does it go a little faster for me because I've done this before? Yes. But I haven't done it that much. This is definitely not one of my, like, you know, top 3 projects of the year that I've spent time on. Like, I pulled this kit, not the kit, you know, but I pulled this box back out recently of paper quilling and husking, and I was like, yeah. And the husking board is fun, too, if we have any paper crafters, because people who are in my stream all the time have seen, the paper husking board. But if anyone else would like to see it, just say so. Ooh, okay. So, now that we have these, we're going to scootily poop this one this way. Airy! Hi, humans! Hi, Airy Pie! I was just talking about you. In the sense that you were the only one of us who I have asked so far who actually has shoe plans for New Year's. Okay, these flowers are turning out way bigger than I planned, but I also don't really want to make them smaller. We might honestly just pick a different frame. And also, Ari, I really am going to spray paint that other frame black for the other, like for the paper husking flowers. I just haven't yet because it's been raining here. Ooh, yeah, we're going to need either a bigger frame or it's going to be, like, really packed in there. And I guess either way there isn't a wrong answer. We could go for, like, a look where it basically fills the entire circle of the frame. And also it was Ari who mentioned how cool something might look, like overflowing the frame. And look at our frame we're going to use. And then there's a nice gap between the glass and the mat, so we'll be able to have these behind the glass. So they won't get dusty, but also that gap, because usually the glass is flush to a photo, but the gap allows us to put, you know, art in between. Ari said, I think that was someone else. Are you sure? Like, talking about how, like, if the flowers went, like, out of the edge of the frame, or, like, overlapping it. Are you? I don't know. We'll figure it out, and if we don't, that's okay. But, ooh, look at our second flower. Okay. Maybe we'll make... Well, I was going to say we could make the yellow one smaller. I think that we should make the yellow one somewhere in between these two. This is an 8, this is a 10, maybe we'll do a 9. And then make the green one small. Well, then again, we don't actually legally have to include green if we don't want to. You know? Because I do like the idea of having 6. 5 just seems scanty. It could go red, pink, orange, blue, purple. I don't know. That seems kind of like a transition there. Like, that's a difficult transition. That's a big leap we're making there. But how do we want our yellow flower to look?